If you're seeing a fix itchio error during installation message like timed out while connecting to Butlerd, or you're getting network errors, don't worry. This is usually a security software issue, not a broken app issue. In this video, I'll show you how to fix that error step by step, and I'll also show you what to do if you're getting operation not permitted or other permission errors during installation. If this guide helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if your itch.io installer is timing out while trying to connect to Butlerd, the most common cause is Windows Defender or a third-party antivirus or firewall blocking the installer from communicating properly. The fix is to add both the installer file and the itch folder to your security software's Allowlist. The itch folder is usually located in your APPDATA directory at %APPDATA%/itch. So start by opening File Explorer and navigating to your APPDATA folder. You can type %APPDATA% into the address bar to get there quickly. Inside that folder, look for the itch folder and make a note of its location. Now, open Windows Security or your antivirus software and find the section for exclusions, allow lists, or trusted apps. Add the installer executable and the itch folder itself as trusted items. If your security software asks whether to allow access, choose allow or trust. After that, try running the installer again. In many cases, that alone fixes the timed out while connecting to Butlerd error because the app is no longer being blocked in the background. If you still see a network-related problem, also make sure your firewall is not preventing itch.io from reaching the internet. Sometimes a strict network filter can interfere with the installation process, especially on work or school devices. If needed, temporarily disable the security software just long enough to test the installation, then re-enable it right after. Now let's move on to the permission error. If you see operation not permitted, that usually means the app is trying to write files somewhere Windows won't let it. The easiest fix is to change the install location inside the app's preferences. Open itch.io, go to Preferences, and look for the install directory or game folder location. Change it to a folder where you have full write permissions, such as C:\games\itch, or even a folder inside your user directory. A user folder is often the safest choice because Windows usually gives your account full control there. After you change the install path, save the settings and try the installation again. This solves a lot of cases where the app cannot create or modify files because it's being pointed at a protected system folder. If you're still having trouble, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. That can help in some situations, but remember that the better long-term fix is usually the correct install location and the security allow list. Also, make sure the drive you're installing to has enough free space and is not marked read-only by another tool. If the drive is external or synced with cloud software, that can sometimes create extra permission issues too. So, the quick checklist is this. For timed out while connecting to Butlerd, allow the installer and itch folder in your security software. For operation not permitted, change the install location to a folder you can write to. Those two steps fix most itch.io installation problems very quickly. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.